Want to know how to remove conditional formatting in Excel from your entire worksheet? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to clear all those unwanted colors, icons, or data bars, no matter what version of Excel you're using. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial, as a PDF, by following the link in the video description below. Here we have some data, that we have started adding conditional formatting to. It's not looking just right, so we want to remove the conditional formatting and start over. Start, by selecting the entire worksheet. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+A, on your keyboard, or clicking on the Select All, in the top left corner of your worksheet. From the home screen, locate the Styles group, and click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down menu, hover over Clear Rules, and select Clear Rules from entire sheet. That's it. All the conditional formatting in the worksheet will be removed instantly. If you'd like to be extra sure, go back to the Conditional Formatting menu, and click on Manage Rules. If no rules are listed, the formatting has been successfully cleared. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.